Morning sunrise. Pretty outside. I don't think it's gonna rain, babe.
Maybe.
Sunrise.
$2,000 later.
Hi guys, andito po kami sa Chevron. Nagpapa-car wash kami ni Mr.
A few minutes later.
Guys, may singkamas sila. Singkamas. So, after namin magpa-car wash, andito na naman kami sa Walmart para mag-grocery shopping, guys. For a syrup.
Yep, we got this. We got the it used to be Aunt Jemima, but they had to change it.
Walmart, guys, shopping.
Hey. Grocery shopping for the week.
Yes, maganda sa umaga mag-shopping because it's clean. Not a lot of people.
I like it, shopping in the morning.
We're gonna buy some eggs again.
Yeah.
It's raining. Look at. It's raining. Barbecue. So, andito na naman kami sa Hawaiian barbecue mag-lunch, guys.
Cheers, love.
It's not even open. We are in Hawaiian barbecue. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's Hawaiian Sun Passion Orange. Or let's say Dr. Pepper.
Yep.
Star order is coming. So, andito na yung order namin na mini Hawaiian barbecue. Yung maliit lang kinuha namin kasi sobrang laki rin ng regular chicken barbecue. So, ito yung chicken barbecue na palagi namin in-order ni Corey. Ito yung paborito namin. May kasama na siyang macaroni salad and rice. And then sa baba ng chicken ay may cabbage siya, guys. Ang sarap nito.
Many minutes later.
Hi guys! Andito na kami sa bahay. So, umuulan pa rin kunti. It's still raining, love, or just sprinkling?
It's sprinkling right now.
Yan. So, andito na kami. Let's do a quick haul. Matagal-tagal na rin na hindi tayo grocery haul kasi medyo na busy kami, guys, sa trabaho. Kasi back to 2 jobs na naman si Lola ninyo. And then si Cory naman is doon pa rin sa kanyang trabaho. Pero syempre, dalawa na yung work natin. Hindi na tayo makapag-vlog palagi. But still, we are trying na gawa ng video kahit minsan. So, yeah. Let's start the haul. Pumunta kami ng Walmart kanina. And then, kumain pala kami sa paborito naming restaurant, Hawaiian Barbecue. So, doon din yan siya malapit sa Walmart, guys. Nasa kabilang, ano lang siya, area. So, first, we have this. Ayan. Toilet paper na Angel Soft. Ito palagi yung ginagamit namin. And then, we have here 3 kitty litters. 3 bags of kitty litters. Ayan. And we have 5 bags. First bag is chicken thighs. Ayan. And drumstick. And we have here the chicken breast. Ayan, may plastic bag pa rin kami, guys. Bali yung bags dito cost 10 cents each bag.
Hi.
Ipopot away ni Cory. Totoo na siya. Bumili kami ng lint rollers kasi wala na kaming lint roller na may paubos na siya. So, paper towels. Ayan, guys. Dalawa lang kasi meron pa naman dyan dalawa. And then, bumili kami ng eggs. Ang mahal pa rin, guys, ng eggs. Ayan, ito yung pinakamura binili namin. 12 pieces, nasa $5 na. And then, bumili pala kami ng mga kakailanganin sa exchange gift namin sa school. So, ayan, bumili ako ng ganito. Yung nabunot ko pala yung boss ko. Oh my God. So, sa bag na ito, nakabili ako ng Valentine's bag. And then, bumili din ako ng ganito. Ayan, ano siya, charm pens. Pamimigay ko to sa mga teachers doon. Tig-isa-isa sa kanila. Lalagyan ko lang ng to and from. So, pwede mo to gupitin ganito. So, 4. Siyam kami na teachers doon. So, 8 lang yung binili ko. Nag-iisa na lang kasi ito siya, guys. So, 4 na ganito. Pens, charm pens, and then coil hair ties. 4 din. So, kung sino yung bibigyan ko nito. Kaya may nakalagay din na to and from. So, gugupitin lang yan dito. Para may bigay din ako sa kanila. Kahit in a simple way lang. Ma-appreciate din yan nila. And ito yung binili ko sa boss ko. Worth ano lang naman, $20 up. So, binilan ko siya. More than $20 to, mga $30 lahat to. So, ito, ang ganda. Tumbler. I need a hug amount of roses. Cute niya. Nagkakapi rin ata. So, ayan yung price. $7.98. Ang cute ng color, no? And then, pangalawa, binilan ko siya ng book. Ayan, Love and Lattes. Nasa $10 to yung books na to. Hindi kasi siya naglagay kung ano yung gusto niya, guys. So, hinulaan ko na lang. I guess she will like this one too. I don't think, maybe she read books or no, but if she don't read books, so she can give it to anybody because she didn't put what she want. So, I can't guess it. And then, another one, complimentary pen set. So, ayan, iba-iba. May nakalagay yan dyan. Manifest it. The Unstoppable. Love Yourself. It's a lot. Eat, Pray, Slay. And, what is it? This girl is on fire. Love Yourself. Every pen may nakalagay siya na parang quote siya. Ang ganda siya, iba-ibang kulay. So, ito, nasa $5 to siya. Para rin yan sa kanya. And then, last one. Ito, nasa $2.97. May nakalagay na Teach. Ayan. Parang ano siya, small booklets. Or like, little, ano siya, mini notebook. Magagamit niya rin ito. Ang ganda, cute siya. So, binilan ko siya ng ganyan. Next bag is Forest Milk 2% milk.
Yes, my leche.
Your leche. Lecheta. And then syrup, kasi nawalan kami ng syrup na for the waffles or pancakes. And then bumili din ako ng Prego Italian sauce na creamy basil and pesto. No? And then bumili si Cory ng, what is this? It's wet. Oh, I think your milk spilled a little bit. Yeah. So, ito yung body wash na ginagamit ni Cory. Bago yung ano niya, lalagyan niya. We couldn't find it, pero sa uli nakita rin namin, pinalitan nila yung ano niya, yung bottle niya. So, Harry's body wash. Ito yung ano niya, stone, charcoal, and lime. Mabango to siya, guys. Not a sponsored video, pero ito yung gamit ni Cory sa katawan niya. Hindi siya gumagamit ng iba. Ito lang talaga na brand. Dapat, babe, you have to be the model of this brand. You only use that brand.
Yeah, no, I like it.
Pesto. And we have here tuna. Ayan. Tuna in can, the Starkist. Kasi minsan mag tuna sandwich kami. And of course, yung mga pusa, wet food, 5 cans. Meron pa silang malaking bag of tuna dry. And then, last bag, guys. So, spinach, baby spinach, organic, and baby kale. Si Cory kinuha yung bag doon sa Walmart eh. Nagbayad 10 cents each bag. Oh my God. Alam nyo ba guys, ito may singkamas ako nakita sa Walmart. Jicama. Ayan. Sarap to isawsaw sa ano, sa toyo na may maanghang na suka. Or pwede rin, ginagawa ata to nilang soup dito. But ako kikilawin ko to. Masarap to. Ayan, Colgate. Banana. Of course, hindi mawala ang saging. Look at, it gets messed up. Saging ni Cory. Cory's banana. Tomato. Grape tomatoes. And bumili din ako ng mangga. Ayan, 2 piraso. And then, garlic, 3 piraso.
No, Mama.
Kasi wala na kaming garlic. And then, ito, shredded iceberg lettuce for salad. And, tortilla. Corn tortilla. Ayan. Nagawa kami ng, ano, ng ano ba yun? Tacos or pizza tacos. Like that. What? Pizza, what is it, love? Pizza made of, quesadilla pizza. Huh? Or yeah. Quesadillas. And sugar. Ayan, maliit lang kasi hindi naman kami lagi gumagamit ng sugar. So, yun lang lahat, guys. And then, meron kaming 2 tubig. So, ito yung tubig namin, guys, na binili. So, 2 cases of water. Ayan. So, yun lang lahat, guys. So, yun lang lahat yung ating grocery haul for today. And today is Friday pala. May trabaho ako mamaya, panggabi. 1:50 na dito ng hapon. 5:30 pa naman yung work ko hanggang 9:30. 4 hours lang siya. Part-time. So, ayun si Cory nilalagay niya na. Tingnan nyo si Marley. Umaakyat yan sa stove. Marley, get down. Tumitingin kay daddy niya. Gutom ata eh. So, and, galing kami pala sa Hawaiian. Doon kami nag-lunch. And, yeah. Ayan pa si Mr. Tinutulungan niya ako yung put away yung mga stuffs. Thank you, love. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching, guys. Yun lang. And, sana okay kayong lahat. And, thank you so much for watching. And, see you next time. Pag makapag-vlog na naman kami. Yeah. God bless. Bye. Guys, so today prito tayo ng marinated baby milk fish. Daing na bangus, guys. Nabili namin to sa Asian store. Nakakamiss kumain ng daing. So, ito yung ulam natin for tonight. So, ito na yung ating daing, guys. Ito na siya. So, ayan na guys. Luto na yung pritong daing. Nasira pala kanina nung binaliktad ko. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. And, dalawa lang yung pinirito natin kasi ako lang naman yung kakain. Titingnan natin kung magugustuhan ni Mr. kasi ipapatikim ko sa kanya. Sana nga magustuhan niya. Ito na yung ating dinner, guys. Ito na yung daing natin na pritong daing. Tapos gumawa ako ng sausawan na maanghang na suka with toyo and then tomatoes and then okra. Steam okra and then ating rice. So, ipatry natin kay Mr. kung magustuhan niya yung daing. At nakabili pala ako ng Star Margarine. Ayan. Margarine. Lalagay ko yan sa white rice ko. Masarap siya, guys. Nakaraang araw ito rin to. Ayan. Ginawasan ko na yan. Sarap yan siya sa mainit na kanin. Guys, itatry ni Mr. Are you scared?
Kind of.
Okay.
Want me to try it?
Yeah, you can try it. You wanna dip it right here?
Yeah.
For the sauce? Yeah, see, Mr. How is it?
It's good.
You like it? You
Yeah,
like
like
the like how they season it?
Yeah.
Fish.
There's another one with fat belly. I don't like that one.
You don't like the fat belly? What can you say?
I like it. I love it.
Love it or like it?
I like it. No bones though.
Oh no, there's some more right here. It's like little bones, but those are no bones.
Because I'm a baby.
He hates that one that has bones. Ow! Why my bones popping?
We're talking about bones. That's okay, my love.
I'm feeding my baby.
Your old man baby.